And here we are, Friday morning, and it's raining. And for the next couple of days it will be raining. Apparently, well, allegedly, let's say, around 7, there is a forecast that this rain will turn into snow. Напрямо. Видно. So, come on. Grimo, cheers, 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 cheers. Oh yeah. It's raining pretty hard. And it's a little bit windy, which makes it even worse. And it's like +2, +3. So, you know, even if there will be some snowfall in 2 hours, everything will melt. Because, you know, it will rain then. So, oh, yeah, oops. My umbrella is getting a little bit, it's getting a little bit problematic to control umbrella with this wind gusts. Yo. Oops. Yeah, yesterday Mom took Liza for her afternoon walk, but fortunately, Lizzie, I don't know what she saw. Well, there could be rats or mice under this, let's say, deck. Because in the past we have seen them. Also here, you know, on this spot where Liza is now sniffing. Yeah. This will be fun to walk to work. You can see how much are they splashing. And Liza today wants to walk here. Lizi, kaj pa če mi danes ne bi tukaj šla? Yeah, we will not go here. Three treats. Lizi, tukaj greva, 5 greva tukaj danes. Let's go this way, away from those pools of water on the road. Yeah, so yesterday Mom took Liza for her afternoon walk, and fortunately there was no incidents like previous. And then Monty came to visit, so yeah, they were playing for a bit. Well, Liza wanted to play with Monty. Monty was a little bit scared of Liza's energy. And to compensate that, Liza then destroyed her old husky plush toy. Basically, she performed a lobotomy on it. And she was so proud of that. Of course, a lot of treats were given, And not streets, yeah. She knows streets. And then also, yeah, they had dinner together. So they had nice evening. Oh yeah, I think that you can hear how much is raining, and it has been picking up every minute. Oh, you cannot see, but in front of us is a playground, kids playground, and it's completely submerged in water. And yeah, because you cannot see anything, we will end on this point.